We're back with another great property here in Medellin, Colombia. This one is located in the Suramericana neighborhood of Laureles. It is just a 2-minute walk from the metro station. It's on the 13th floor of this iconic, uh, basically community of buildings. They're gated and they've got a courtyard in the bottom, which we'll check out here at the end of the video, which is the best part of the apartment. This is the kitchen and this is the laundry area. The first thing that you'll notice is that there's a lot of walls. These buildings were built years ago, and they were built in this way where everything was sectioned off. But the great thing about it, since they are older, they can be knocked down. A lot of these walls are not load bearing, so you can open up this space. If you've seen my apartments, this is the type of apartment that I buy because these are great deals, and we're going to go over the numbers here in a minute. But the reason for buying this is that you can knock down all the walls, make it one large kitchen slash dining room slash living room area. This bathroom right here is still part of the kitchen, by the way. We haven't left the kitchen. It's a full bath. It is part of the maid's quarters, and you know that this was built decades ago because it has a giant maid's quarters. Someone was living in here and basically taking care of you and your apartment and your family back in the day. But today, that's not really relevant unless if you want to have it. So what I would do is knock all this down, make it one large kitchen, open area concept, open concept with the living room and dining room, which we're going to go into right here. This is the front door. This is the dining area. The current owner did a really great job with working with the space and the decor, the furniture. It looks really nice. This is the living room area here. We're going to pan over and take a look at the rest of the whole area together here. And that's the front door. So again, those walls, imagine knocking that down and having this giant space. It would be amazing. Okay, we're going to go into the living room here and go to the deck, or the balcony, I should say. It overlooks the east side of Medellin up into the mountains there, which is pretty beautiful. As you can see, you can't get away from the greenery in Medellin. But this is the Suramericana neighborhood. Again, a 2-minute walk from the metro station, very accessible. A lot of stores and shops nearby, and it's just a few minutes away in a car to the Laureles area where all the restaurants are, etc. Okay, so we're going to go into the hallway here. There's a little linen closet there, which is pretty big actually, and this area right here is kind of like a den area, but they're using it as a yoga slash workout area. This is the first full bath, really, that is part of the apartment here where all the rooms are. And this could be remodeled as well, but it doesn't need to be. As you can see, they've kept it in great shape. And if you wanted to move into it immediately, you could, and maybe remodel it in sections over time, etc. But it is a great space. Okay, so we're going to go into the first room, which is an office. The owner here working at his desk. Very cool what they've done with that space for the office. And then this is the second office because this is a family that lives here and they both work from home. So this is another study slash office that they built here, which is really nice. But these could be bedrooms if you wanted them to be. And we're going to go over to the master bedroom, which is, this is another bedroom. This is their kids' bedroom, which again, they did a really great job with the decor and the furniture. I love it. Yeah, this is a beautiful one. Again, this one is 4 bedrooms plus that maid's quarters and 3 full bathrooms. It's 163 square meters, which is just over 1,700 square feet. And you can't beat the price on this one, really. This is the master bedroom. Look at the closet space on the left there, which is really cool how they did that back in the day. Not a lot to remodel in the master bedroom. This is the view of the east side, again, of Medellin. In the master bedroom, you probably would want to remodel the bathroom. Again, it's not necessary, but you could, because we're going to go into it. It's a pretty big one, but you could open this up and make it even bigger or just more modern. But yeah, they've kept it in really good condition with this classic look here. Classic Medellin Paisa look. Okay, so we're going to go back out into the rest of the apartment, and we're going to check out the downstairs. The downstairs is probably the best part of the entire building, and you're going to see why. The outside, as you can see, this is the courtyard, and this is private. It's a giant park that is part of this whole complex of apartments called Suramericana. It's exclusive for them. There's a security guard, and there's a security guard that walks around because it's also adjacent to a government building. So it's a very safe area. One of the things that I loved about it was that they have little coffee shops and restaurants, and there are like Colombian people that live in these apartments that sit out there and talk to their neighbors, walk their dogs, play with their kids. It's such a great area for families, or if you're a retiree. Again, this one is definitely for someone that wants to live here full time. You can't really beat the price on this one based on square meter. So if you do want to make an offer on this one, or you want us to find you your dream apartment, click on the link in the description and fill out the form, and we'll get in touch with you.